Good morning, guys. It is Thursday, and Dorian is pretty close.
What's pretty close?
We've been out of power since maybe 4 or 5 o'clock this morning, and it's extremely hot.
It's extremely cold.
I started taking Riley braids out. Yeah, she has how many braids? Maybe 4 braids left. Let me see. 4 braids left. We have a refrigerator and freezer full of items that, of course, gonna go bad.
How?
It's almost 11 o'clock. Logan is still sleeping. And for preparation for the next storm, I'm probably gonna go purchase a generator because it is hot in here. Our food is gonna spoil. We're gonna have to throw everything in the refrigerator and freezer away.
The clouds are going
And on top of that, I have an infant child.
Who's that? Logan.
So either we need to get a generator or next time we will have to evacuate.
Evacuate.
Someplace else where we will have power.
Like where?
Actually, I don't know.
Yard.
So this is what it looks like outside. It's misty raining.
Wow.
The trees. Let me zoom out some.
Good thing that it's not raining over here.
Trash is still intact. We have those that was a part of this little clubhouse or whatever you want to call that.
What did you say about the clubhouse?
And look at Riley outside. Get in that house, girl. No pants on, no shoes on.
What is your problem?
Look at the clouds swiftly moving along.
Mama,
What?
every bird I see going over the pond, the water follows me. And it doesn't.
Yeah,
It doesn't.
we're not in Charleston
Mama,
County or
look.
Berkeley County.
Mama, look.
What am I looking
I
at?
think.
Oh, one of the little shingles, I guess, from
Ow!
maybe over there is now on the ground.
Go get it.
Stop,
No,
Riley.
what is your problem?
So like I said, I believe there's another hurricane. What's its name? Its name is Gabrielle.
What is this one's name?
It's a possible tropical storm, I believe, right behind Gabrielle.
Ah!
So next time we may have to seek refuge elsewhere. It is hurricane season, but we just figured since we were far away from danger zone, we would be safe. Like I said, it's almost 11 o'clock and we've been out of power since maybe 5 o'clock in the morning. It was going in and out. That's what woke me up. And then the last time it went out, it just never came back on. Ashley, get in this house before you dirty up my floor. So let's go out the front door and see what it's like out there in the front. Trees are swaying.
Trees are swinging in the forest.
I didn't say swinging, I say sway. And then this right here, that's from a fly catcher strip. Ready? Ashley, get in here and you do not have on shoes for you dirty up my floor.
I'm not wet at all.
Your feet are wet because the concrete is wet. So I read in the neighborhood group that someone's trampoline has gotten loose, so it's flying around.
Oh, we better get inside the house.
You know, do that. You guys can. Well, let's go this way. Just to look at the trees.
How is this thing wet?
Look at it. Oh yeah, and the garage door doesn't open, which I did see someone post on Facebook to either turn the power off to the garage door or unplug it, something of that nature. But I didn't think anything would happen this direction. But boy, was I wrong. So we're gonna have to open some windows pretty soon because it's hot in here.
It's hot in here? He's upstairs.
You not hot?
No, he's downstairs.
I also saw somebody in my neighborhood, they went to the gas station. So I'm going to assume the weather isn't that bad out there. So, Ashton and Riley are going to go to the store, and we'll get a report from them when they return.
Shirt and shoes.
Logan is finally up. I'm about to throw her in the tub before we don't have any hot water. I needed to wash her hair also, but I don't know. My brother and his girlfriend were just by because they are out of power. I think he said they lost their power since 2 o'clock this morning. This, I can't take this. Right, Logan? But the good thing, we're about to have some food on the grill. Right? And I'm really upset because, sorry guys, I just knew we would have power. I already had in mind to fix some breakfast this morning. I wanted me some eggs, bacon, and pancakes, and then I would have made sausage for everybody else as well, and nothing. I had to eat me a cheese sandwich. Look at people. I'm looking out my front door. You see a guy out there walking his dog. Say hi. Hi there. Just got off the phone with my granny. She said she still has power. And that's in downtown Charleston. So I guess we'll come back if anything else develops. Right? Let me go feed Logan. Only thing I can give her right now is cereal, because anything else that she eats is hot, and I can't make it. Can't make her any oatmeal, no grits, and I have to hurry up and I guess eat this. I have 2 containers of yogurt, so maybe she'll eat some cereal and some yogurt. Say, be back. So now, new update, another bummer. First, we didn't have any power, and I was just on just a few minutes ago because Logan had just woken up. It was probably about 12. It's now 12:10, and now I don't have any signal. Oh my gosh, this is going to be, oh my gosh. Oh Lordy, no signal. So I can't get on social media at all to pass the time. Can't even listen to any music to pass the time. Can't look at YouTube, no Facebook, no Instagram, no nothing. Which I'm not really on Instagram like that. I just scroll on there probably once a day if I'm bored, or if I post something which isn't that, it's pretty rare on Instagram. On Facebook, oh my gosh.
To go sleep. Yes?
Logan.
Okay, Logan, look at the camera.
Logan, what are you doing? Go Logan, 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 go Logan. What is Riley doing? The power is out for quite some time.
Years until I die.
And I'm charging my phone in the car.
Cause the car should be doing something.
Hey! Logan! Stop it. So guys, back with an update. It is almost 4 o'clock, late afternoon. Riley and Ashton has returned home. Logan has had a bath.
They been here. Oh yeah, when we left.
Yeah, so be quiet. Her and Ashton will be taking a bath shortly.
Cause we're going back out to our cousin's house.
No, because you're going to take a bath. And we still have no power.
Well, we have
And I
power on
checked
the
my
phone.
account, so the power has been out since 5:30ish
Wait,
this morning.
guys.
So,
What is if your mama, if y'all work, that's an actually question. If y'all work somewhere near
what?
near.
Anyway, so hopefully the power is restored shortly. I just read that the power company has been cleared to send out linemen to restore power.
Yay,
So
that's great.
we need power. As soon as the power comes on, I am going to fix me something.
As soon as the power come on, I'm straight to watching CJ.
I don't want to watch TV.
Yeah, because CJ.
And I'm going to put my phone on the charger.
Yeah, she's gonna put her phone on the charger.
Because I did charge it a little in the car, but that charge has since been depleted.
Oh, and guys, since we're in the car, I am so exhausted.
You exhausted from what?
I'm like doing this stuff and going.
Anyways, and then of course no school tomorrow, which is Friday. Hopefully school will resume on Monday, but
today is Thursday. And you don't know.
there's no guarantee of that. Staff have to get back safely in town. Once in town, they have to go assess the school for any damages and make sure the roadways are clear for car riders and bus riders.
Oh, guys.
And if not, then school won't open.
Good.
So I guess we'll be back a little later
Oh, and guys.
before the night is
That's
over to give you guys an update of what's going on.
And what we're going to sell out. Oh, and guys.
September 5th, Hurricane Dorian.
Oh, guys. I had to ask you a question.
Hey guys, last update. We are signing off. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the notification gang so you alerted each and every time that we upload a video. So it is it's almost 8 o'clock. I think it's 7:45, and our power has just been restored. The only place in our area that was open serving food, no other than Chinese. Yay! That's Logan's plate. Look at her. And Riley's over there ready to watch something on TV. And I mean, the power literally just turned back on less than 2 minutes. So I had shrimp fried rice, chicken wings, Ashton and Riley and Logan, fries and chicken. And then I got enough for my brother and his girlfriend if they came back over. So
What did you say?
I think the storm is still passing along. But thank God we have power, we are safe, and we have something to eat.
We have power, we have power, we have power, we have power.
And we will see you guys the next time around.